Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am raptured to recognize the Sami Asif, a proactive and a talented individual. Our recent initiatives set a remarkable example for the peers and the educators alike, demonstrating an exceptional creativity and dedication. He took it upon himself to meticulously assemble a remote control drone. This endeavor not only showcases Sami's creative skills, but also his commitment to the excellence and the innovations. Such initiatives embody the spirit of the leadership and the passion which we strive to promote within our community. Sami, that's a wonderful initiative and a display of creativity. It is so fascinating. How did you come up with this idea of making a remote control drone? I mean, what inspired you?
There was a science fair in our school, and our teachers assigned us to come up with an idea of a science project, and it must be a unique project. So I used my brain and searched from the Google and other websites about this science project. And after some struggle of searching projects, I came up with a solar powered drone. But unfortunately, the solar had a high amount of weight, and the drone needed heavy batteries and heavy power for the motors to lift off that much weight. So I rearranged my idea into a remote control drone. And when I shared this idea with my teachers, the teachers liked this a lot. And they inspired me by saying, if you can do this, you should do it, as this is a unique project and no one has worked on this project in our school.
Sami, that sounds amazing. What were the sources of the knowledge and the guidelines for making this project?
So the sources of knowledge was ChatGPT, Google, Wikipedia, and YouTube. As you know that everything is just a click away, and I know if you are passionate about something, you will find what you're looking for. And my father told me one very interesting quote about Rumi, that what you're looking for is also looking for you.
That sounds impressive. How much time did it take you to complete this project?
It took about 6 to 7 months to complete this project, and I did this project in phases, and in each phase I looked for improvement and for the final takeoff for the drone.
That's great. How much money you have spent in this project and how you managed to gather that necessary funds?
It took about 80,000 Pak rupees to build this drone, and as you know that I am a guy who has some money in my hand and I have saved some money, and I told this idea to my father, and my father appreciated this idea and he also financially supported me for this.
So that sounds good. What challenges or the failures did you face during making this project and how you come up to overcome them?
So the first challenge which I faced was time management. Especially when you are going to school and coming back, you have to go to read the Quran and do the homework, and managing the time for other projects is very difficult. But I managed the time, and after 1 month of working on this project, there was Ramadan time, and it was even more difficult. So I came up with a plan that I wake up in the morning for sahur, and after eating the sari and doing this prayer, I did not sleep. I worked on my drone project and then went to school. And then my second challenge which I faced was the remote control. Making the remote control was quite hard. But how I overcome this challenge was I tried to make this remote control at home, but eventually I could not make it as the coding part, the code was too much old and it was not compatible and it was not working also. So I came up with the idea to buy this remote from the market. So what I did was I went to the market. There was a lot of remote controls. I selected one and then brought it at home. And when I put it at my drone, the second problem which I faced was the flight controller. I did not have the flight controller and my drone was spinning and then it went upside down. So I figured out this problem because the motors needed equal power. So I went to the ChatGPT. It told me that you must have a flight controller which controls your motor's movements. So I got a flight controller from the market, and then when I assembled all these parts, the drone was successful for the trip.
That's really fascinating. So when did the trial run for this project take place? And what the feedback you have received from your teachers?
So the first trial run was done just before the science fair, and the drone took off for 1 or 2 minutes and then it fell down. But my teacher inspired me by telling to me that you have done what no one has done in our school, and you made the teacher and the principal proud. So you must work on this project harder, and then one day you will face success.
That's great. What messages would you like to share with your peers and the younger generation?
So the first message I would like to share with the younger generation is to keep working hard and never give up, as losers only give up and winners keep struggling for their success and one day their success. The second message I would like to share is be ambitious and be strong, as when the sun rays are focused to a point, it can burn the fire. It can burn the paper at the point. So you must be working hard. The third and the last, but not the least message I would like to share with the younger generation is that awaken the giant within you. As I believe that every person has that unique talent inside them. So they must ignite the fire to excel in their career. Thank you.
So, Sami, thank you so much for sharing your journey with us. Your creativity and the dedication are truly inspiring. It is clear that your hard work has paid off in a big way. We look forward to seeing what you accomplish next, and we are sure that you will set the remarkable example for the others. Keep up the great work and good luck for your future endeavors. Thank you.
Welcome.
Fighting the inevitable. I can't do this anymore.